Hi guys, welcome back to Red Pill TV. How are you guys doing? It has been a while. I uploaded a new presentation here, so sorry about that. I have been busy with a lot of stuff lately which consumed my time, but I feels good to be back here. Having said that, let's get started with today's presentation, but before we do so, if you missed our last presentation regarding the right way to text a woman that will suddenly cause her to feel attracted towards you, you can visit it now because you really need that techniques in your arsenal. The link to that presentation is on the top right corner of your screen now. Go check it out right now if you missed it, then come back and meet us here. Alright, let's advance into our main presentation now. I will be showing you immediately the step-by-step secrets playboys use to get women drooling before them like magnet. This is exactly the techniques gigolo guys put into practice to attract sugar mummies and girlfriends. All you have to do is replicate what these guys that are good with women do and you get exactly same successful result these guys have been enjoying from time immemorial. With this techniques you are guaranteed to get women interested in you without taking her on a single date. Yes, money can attract women towards you, no doubt about this, particularly the gold digging sort of women, but most times using money to attract women comes with a whole lot of negative end results. We need women that would love us for who we are and not because of how fat our bank account is, or not because of how much we have spent on them. All we want is genuine romance and not women that are keen on getting hold of our cash. If you don't want a gold digger who is simply intrigued by cash, then the step-by-step seduction secrets will be really useful for you. Let me quickly drop this at this junction. Please subscribe to my channel guys. For those still delaying to do so, your subscription fuels me to upload new presentation promptly. It won't take up to 10 seconds to do it. I will be grateful as you do. Thanks. Having said so, let's continue with our presentation. Here are the 3 techniques you have to use to make women fall in love with you without spending. First on the list is make your approach with concealed intentions. I really want you to understand every bit of this strategy. That's why I will be using a very basic example to pass this message across to you guys. Let's assume you see a woman that catches your fancy in the bank. In what case will she be more receptive to you when you approach her? 1. When you approach her in disguise to collect a pen from her. 2. When you walk up to her to woo her. My guess is you already picked case 1 as your answer. Of course, case 1 is the answer. A woman you try to woo directly will definitely play hard to get or outrightly reject you. See, when a woman is 100% certain you already fancy her, she immediately raises her defense to protect her emotion. Natural players are very smart when it comes to this very technique. They use it often to approach women that they are interested in. Before the woman knows what's going on, boom, she has already fallen in love with him. This is a simple strategy that works on all women because they are wired by nature to respond favorably to it. So how do you apply this strategy? To understand how to apply this principle, let's look at this scenario. Have you ever experienced this before? A woman gives you green lights to draw you into her, subtly showing signs to you that she likes you, then you go ahead to woo her and tell her how much you love her, then she suddenly starts withdrawing from you. Do you know why this happened? Now hear the answer. It happened because you went against the player's golden rule. Players never make the deadly mistake of allowing a woman to become too sure of how much he feels about her. Never tell a woman how much you cherish her, put her on her toes, always guessing whether or not you love her. The best time to tell her is when you are sure she feels twice the way you feel towards her. If you listen to girls' speeches, I am sure you must have heard this delusional statement from them. Here's it: I can never date a guy who is not very sure he loves me. Don't fall for this whack statement. The truth is this: women don't know what they really want. They are emotional beings. You have to stir up emotion in them. By doing so, they will have no other option rather than fall in love with you. Now let's move to the second strategy, which is teasing her when you communicate. Is a very important step in building attraction. Once you neglect this powerful principle, your chance of making a woman fall in love with you is equal to 0. Let me show you a picture of a woman's life. Now visit any regular woman Instagram picture, then take your time and scroll through the comments. you will observe that is filled with praises from lots of sissy guys, and they receive those praises as if is their right. Some weak guys go to the extent of professing relationship on women's comment box. No sweet thing you write in a woman's comment box is new to her. See, women survive upon validation, but that does not mean they will take seriously the guys that validates them. They only need those kinds of guys to boost their self-esteem, but need something different for attraction, to get her attention in a way that will create attraction. You need to be different. How? By teasing her. See, try and observe the way players you know communicate with women. Notice how they talk to women and make fun of her in a playful way. They don't care how pretty she looks, because it works even better on that kind of woman. They communicate with her as if she is his kid sister, who he doesn't need to impress. Is a basic knowledge. People generally are attracted to people who don't try to impress them. When most guys are worshipping the ground she walks upon, you suddenly comes out from the blues and say the opposite of what the other guys were saying. Then she starts wondering why, thereby causing her to start thinking about you. Then she starts trying hard to make you praise her as other guys normally do. By doing so she starts developing keen interest in you. This is how attraction works. Here's my favorite approach. I playfully tell a beautiful woman that I have friend-zoned her and I don't find her attractive in my own eyes, but there's a trick to saying this in the right way so you don't put her off. Check the description box below to get the blueprint of how attraction works. If you are really ready to attract women effortlessly, you really need that ebook, trust me. Let's move to the last but not the least strategy: confuse her with on and off psychology. Have you ever wondered why women like guys who don't like them, but while you shower her with much attention she ignores you? In fact, the more you show a woman how madly in love you are for her, the higher the chances she will dump you. Well, players have found a way to bypass this by applying the on and off principle. How is it used? Simply, by acting like you are interested in her at this moment and then the next moment you act uninterested. This is a very powerful technique that works. You must have seen a woman that has fallen for this technique, mostly used by players. It comes naturally to them, but they are unaware that they are using the on and off technique on women, also known as push-pull principle. She cries that the guy doesn't call, he is unpredictable, that she's not sure whether he loves her, sometimes he quarrels with her for no damn reason. Alright guys, here's where I will be drawing the curtain in today's presentation. If you forgot to subscribe earlier, please do so now to encourage this channel. Click on the link in the description below to get access to the blueprint of attracting women. See you guys next week.